Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a Town and Country minivan and I will show you how to access the hidden service mode. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to do this, first you want to make sure that the vehicle is running and then turn off the radio. And while the radio is turned off, you will press and keep holding the menu button, the radio button and media button at the same time for 5 seconds. I'll try to do it with one hand. So this button and these two buttons, and just hold them. And like I said, this will get you to the hidden service mode. Now here you can do a bunch of different tests. If you select number 1, hardware check, you can do a key check, fan operation check, vehicle signal check, illumination operation check, and so on. If you go back, you can adjust the monitor, run some tests on it for color, for touch, if you have problems with the touch screen, things like that. ECU information, so that's information from your computer. Serial numbers, versions, part numbers, memory initiation, I'm not sure what's that, radio adjustment, you can play with that. So there is a bunch of options here, and if you're interested in it, you can get into this menu and play with it, but just be careful so you don't mess something up, because there is a bunch of sensitive things here. If this screen gets stuck for some reason in service mode, what you will do, you will turn off the vehicle, you will open the driver door for 30 seconds, and then you will start the vehicle, and that will reset the system. Because that happened to me. I was messing up with this a bit too much, and the screen got frozen, and it took me quite a while to figure out how to reset it, but that's how you do it, yeah. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.